What is up everyone, you are watching TNWS channel, and in this video I will show you how you can enable or disable auto rotation in Samsung Galaxy A22. So before starting video, if you are first time on my channel, just don't forget to subscribe, and let's start the video without wasting any time. So to enable or disable auto rotation in Samsung Galaxy A22, first of all you just need to open notification bar and then follow every step as I'm showing you in this video.